Hey, so we're 18 miles offshore right now. We're about to try to catch some Mahi Mahi on the weed line. Colton's going to show you what we're using.
We're just using circle hooks, and we're going to use some sardines and squid, and they should eat that up. Now we're heading back to dive on the reef.
Hopefully to clean up some lionfish.
gonna head back to Hawk Channel and free dive a little bit. We got 2 bucket list fish, which was the hog and the red grouper. So I'm going to show you all how to clean a mangrove snapper. So you come right behind the fin and you cut in right there until you feel the backbone. And do the same on the back fin. And you turn your knife, make sure it's stable. Start cutting towards the head. You gotta cut some of this out. There you go. Then you gotta cut out all your waste right here. And then there's the skin. So you come right here till you feel the skin. Just start pulling this. How you get the skin off.
Alright, so I'm about to clean a lionfish, but fun fact, they lay 25,000 eggs every 3 days. They have no natural predators and they eat almost every reef fish. So if you see them diving, please kill them. Alright, so we're going to start right behind this fin. Cut in. Cut all the way back to the tail. Leave just a small little piece of skin, I guess. Flip it over. The meat comes right off. And we'll get rid of this nice little lionfish slab. That's it for the keys. We're out.